Hey guys, what's up? It's me, katieshindig. Today I'm coming at you with another clothing subscription box. This is the Frank & Oak clothing subscription box. I have already opened this box, tried this stuff on, and wore it because I had previously recorded this video and then I went back and went to edit the footage and I just didn't like it. So I'm still going to be showing you everything that came in the box, and I'm going to be trying it on for you just like I normally would with clothes, but I've already wore them, so my opinion of them is even deeper, I guess. Like, I have worn them out in public, so I know what I actually think of them. So this clothing subscription box is a little bit different in a way of, on frankandoak.com you get on and you sign up and you fill out your styling quiz, and then they put together your box for you and they give you about 7 to 10 choices. You can click how many ever you want to come and be sent to you, and you can unclick stuff you don't want. So they give you like a little preview period where you tell them if you like it and if you don't like it. And then they go ahead and they charge you for the items that you pick. And you have 7 days to send them back. And if you send them back, you get a full refund. This clothing box looked a lot more like basics, which is kind of what drew me to it. I have a lot of frilly and cute things that I like wearing, but I want more basics to pair those with because I have very limited outfits, because I'm like, well, nothing goes with this frilly top other than this one pair of pants. So I wanted more basics that I could put with my more frilly stuff. So without further ado, I'm going to show you what came in my Frank & Oak box. The first thing that I'm going to start with are these shorts. These shorts are like by far one of my favorite pair of shorts ever. They're just a Frank & Oak brand, dark denim. They have a little leather patch here. Frank & Oak size 24, and these things just like hit me right. Like the waist, for the high waist, just like hits me right. The way they cut on your legs or your butt, however you want to say it, it's not showing off too much of your butt. Like your butt is not hanging out of your shorts, but they still look good. Like they still flatter you, if you know what I mean. So these shorts are by far one of my favorite pair of shorts I have ever put on. The next thing that we have are these Floral Frank & Oak shorts, and they're just like satiny. These shorts look a little bit big on me when I put them on, I'm not gonna lie. And I even thought that when I tried them on. They're a Frank & Oak brand, extra small, and I'm not gonna lie, they looked a little bit big when I put them on, but they're so comfortable. They fit well, like comfortable wise, and the pockets are so deep. I was just like, these are perfect for just like wanting to be cute but comfy and like go to the store, or something you can easily change out of like while you're shopping in the dressing rooms. I was just like, these are the perfect shorts, and they have pockets so you can slide your phone in your pocket and you don't have to put it in your waistband and get it all sweaty, because we all know we all do that. So these shorts are just awesome, comfy shorts. Last but not least, because I did only choose 3 things from Frank & Oak, because they are a little bit pricey, I wanted to get things that I would like and not just like an abundance of things. So I went with kind of a medium price range to make sure I would get stuff that I liked the quality and that kind of stuff. And the last thing I have are these light wash denim high-waisted jeans. They're just jeans, light wash, no distress or anything like that, but they're high-waisted. They just have the same band, and they're also a size 24. And it's the same thing with these, where the waist hits me on these, it just flatters me so well, and it's what I'm really into. I feel more comfortable in this high waist. I feel like it flatters me more in my body type, so I love these pants. I think they have easily become my second favorite pair of pants. The only thing that makes them my second favorite and not my first is that they're light wash, because I do prefer dark wash denim. However, these fit so well, I was like, I need them. Okay guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you're excited that I tried a new clothing subscription box. If you are, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any boxes that you want to see, because I have been researching the boxes, y'all have been linking down below, let me know. Comment them down below, and also if you have a referral link for that box, comment that down below because I'll be happy to use your referral link. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like to keep seeing me, please hit the subscribe button. Bye guys! These shorts are These shorts I said it again. These shorts are by Fi. What the crap? The first thing we're going to be talking about are these shorts.